Welcome students in this classroom. In last lecture we have learned nth term of an AP. Today we are going to learn sum of first n terms of an AP. Sn equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N upon 2, 2a means a plus n minus 1 into d as it is. N upon 2, a means first term t1 and a plus n minus 1 into d means tn. Last lecture we have learned tn means what? A plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, Sn equal to n upon 2 in bracket t1 plus tn. This one is formula to find sum of first n terms. Means there are two formulas. First, Sn equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And second one, Sn equal to n upon 2 in bracket t1 plus tn. Okay. Now, using these two formulae, we have to solve this exercise 3.3. First example, a equal to 6, d equal to 3, find S27. Now, S27 or Sn equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn means S27 equal to n. N is given 27 by 2 in bracket 2a. 2 into 6. Value of a is 6 given. Plus n minus 1 means 27 minus 1 into d. D is given 3. Okay. 27 by 2 in bracket 2 into 6 12 plus 27 minus 1 means 26 into 3. 27 by 2 in bracket 12 plus 26 into 3 78. 27 by 2 12 plus 78 90. 27 divided by 2 into 19, therefore 27 into 45. Now 27 into 45, this is 1215. Therefore S27 equal to 1215. Okay. This is the first example in exercise 3.3. Now, second example. Next example. Find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. Now, look here. AP of even natural numbers. First even natural number is 2, 4, 6, 8. How many? 123 means T123. Now find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. Therefore, here first term is 2, a equal to 2. Difference is 2. Even a. Therefore, their difference is 2. A equal to 2, D equal to 2. Now, Sn equal to n by 2 in bracket twice a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, n 123. There are 123 numbers upon 2. Twice a. Twice a means 2 into 2 plus 123 minus 1 into D. D is 2. Now look here. 123 upon 2 in bracket 2 into 2 4 plus 123 minus 1 122. 122 into 2. 123 upon 2 in bracket 4 plus 122 into 2 244. 123 divided by 2 in bracket 244 plus 4 means 248. Divided by this 2, therefore 123 into 124. 248 divided by 2 means 124. Their product is 15,252. Therefore, SN means S123 equal to 15,252 means the sum of first 123 even natural number is 15,252. Okay, by using this formula Sn equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now let's next example. Find the sum of all even numbers between 1 and 352. Even natural numbers. Look here. Even natural numbers between 1 and 352. Look here. First even natural number is 2. Second 4, 6, 8 up to dash dash. Last even natural number is 348. Why? Because in given even natural numbers between 1 and 350 between. Therefore, last is 348. Means Tn is 348. A equal to 2. D equal to 2. Tn equal to 348. Now, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn is given 348. A is also given 2 plus n minus 1 into D. D means 2. Now, 348 equal to 2 plus 2n minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. Therefore, 348 equal to 2n. Therefore, n equal to 348 divided by 2 means 174. Value of n is 174. Means there are 174 numbers between 1 and 350. Sum even numbers. Now, what is the sum? Therefore, Sn equal to n by 2 in bracket T1 plus Tn. Now look here. Sn equal to n upon 2 in bracket T1 plus Tn. Now, n is given 174, T1 is 2 and Tn is 348. Substitute this value. Sn equal to n by 2 means 174 by 2 in bracket T1. T1 is given 2 plus Tn 348. Therefore, 174 divided by 2, 2 plus 348, 350. Means 174, 350 divided by 2 means 175. 174 into 175. 174 into 175 30,450 means the sum of all even natural numbers between 1 and 350 is 30,450. This is our answer. Okay.